Click the Program greater than button to create a new program. 2. Click the Linear Motion greater than button to insert the transition point. 3. Press the Drag greater than button of the robot button and drag it to the target. 4. Click the Linear Motion greater than button to insert the search point. 5. Press the Drag greater than button of the robot body and drag it to the target point. 6. Click the Linear Motion button to insert the starting point of the target trajectory. 7. Press the Drag greater than button of the robot body and drag it to the target point. 8. Click the Linear Motion greater than button to insert the end point of the target trajectory. 9. Press the Drag greater than button of the robot body and drag it to the target point. 10. Click the Linear Motion greater than button to insert the transition point. 11. Select from the command menu Welding Seeking Start command. 12. Click Insert to insert for the transition point. 13. Select Search Start Point and click Modify command. Select Search Start Additional instruction. Set Save variant. 14. Click OK to save the changes. 15. Select from the instruction menu Welding Seeking End Instruction. 16. Click Insert after the transition. 17. Select from the instruction Welding Seeking Calculation Instruction. 18. Click Insert and insert in front of the welding track section. 19. From the instruction menu, select Offset Start Instruction before inserting the track point. 20. Select the Offset End Instruction from the command menu. Insert the track point. For more details, please scan the code.